factors that interfere in proper functioning of pulse oximeter except A. Carbon monoxide poisoning, B. Hypertension, C. Pulse volume, D. Vasoconstriction. And the correct answer is B. Hypertension. Hypertension never interferes in pulse oximeter reading. Other factors like carbon monoxide poisoning, pulse volume, vasoconstriction, bright light, and shivering interferes in reading in oximeter. Which actions of the following is used in the management of hyperkalemia? A. Insulin with glucose, B. Sodium bicarbonate, C. Potassium chloride, D. Magnesium sulfate. And the correct answer is A. Insulin with glucose. Insulin administering with glucose, this facilitates shifting of potassium into the cells. Other actions to treat the hyperkalemia are administering calcium gluconate. It is used as it is the antidote of potassium. Diuretics. Diuretics causes potassium loss through the kidney. Nebulization with salbutamol also helps to decrease the potassium level in the blood because bronchodilator promotes cellular reuptake of the potassium. Which vitamin helps in wound healing? Option A, vitamin A. Option B, vitamin C. Option C, vitamin E. Option D, vitamin K. And the correct answer is option B, vitamin C. Vitamin C helps in wound healing. Vitamin A promotes good vision. Vitamin E is known as anti-sterility vitamin. Vitamin K helps in blood clotting. Fowler's position given to a patient with dyspnea. It helps to relieve dyspnea by A. Making patient more comfortable, B. Facilitating expansion of the thorax, C. Reducing oxygen demand, D. All above. And the correct answer is B. Facilitating expansion of the thorax. Providing upright position to the patient, it facilitates diaphragm to improve thorax expansion. So Fowler's position helps to relieve the dyspnea. In hospital settings, human anatomical waste are discarded in which colored container? A. Yellow, B. Red, C. Blue, D. Black. And the correct answer is A. Yellow. Yellow colored container is used for human anatomical waste, animal tissue, organs, placenta, body parts, fluids, blood bags, microbiological waste, etc. Before providing NG feed to the patient, what all the care a nurse need to do? A. Providing Fowler position. B. Take abdominal girth. C. Aspirating the gastric content. D. All the above. And the correct answer is D. All the above. All the above are the actions expected from a nurse before NG feeding. Abdominal girth monitoring and aspirating of gastric content will help to recognize feed intolerance. Intradermal injection is given at angle of A. 15 degree, B. 30 degree, C. 45 degree, D. 90 degree. And the correct answer is A. 15 degree. Intradermal at 15 degree, subcutaneous at 30 to 45 degree, intramuscular at 90 degree. The tube introduced into the rectum of the patient to relieve gas is known as A. Rectal tube, B. ET tube, C. Follis tube, D. NG tube. And the correct answer is A. Rectal tube. Rectal tube is inserted to relieve from flatus. ET tube inserted into the trachea to facilitate clear airway. Follis catheter is inserted for urine output. NG tube inserted into the stomach through nostril to facilitate feeding and aspirating stomach contents. Bleeding from the nose is known as A. Epistaxis, B. Hemoptysis, C. Hematemesis, D. Hematuria. And the correct answer is A. Epistaxis. Epistaxis is the bleeding from the nose. Hemoptysis is the bleeding with cough and mucus. Hematemesis is bleeding with vomiting contents from stomach. Hematuria is the bleeding with urine. A patient GRBS is 40 mg per dl. The immediate management is to administer A. 5% dextrose, B. 50% dextrose, C. 10 unit human insulin, D. Normal saline. And the correct answer is B. 50% dextrose. Milking of drainage tube creates A. Negative pressure, B. Positive pressure, C. Occlude the tube, D. None of the above. And the correct answer is, please give the correct answer in the comment section.